9th of December, this Friday, we are having some exciting news from DJI that they will be releasing a new drone. Not quite new, but this is going to be, as you can see in this picture, it's going to be DJI Mini 3. Apparently, Best Buy in New Jersey already has some stock and the price they're going for is $860. You might think $860, that doesn't sound that much different from DJI Mini 3 Pro, and you are quite right. I'm just going to explain now. So DJI Mini 3 Pro, as you can see in their official website, with the DJI RC, which has the display just like what we had previously seen in the box of DJI 3 box, the new drone. This combination is going at $909. So the difference of DJI Mini 3 Pro, the Pro version, is that you actually had to go down the list and then buy a separate Fly More Kit Plus, Fly More Kit, etc. Additional $189 for that 2 extra battery, which is the standard battery at 34 minutes, or add $249 for 2 additional intelligent flight battery plus, which lasts for 47 minutes maximum flight time. And if you just want to get 1 additional intelligent flight battery plus, so 47 minutes extra time, then you would need to pay $95 more. So Jasper Ellens, he does have bigger picture, the enlarged photo of the box. So as you can see, this particular box of DJI Mini 3, not Pro, but just DJI Mini 3, which should, as the name suggests, should be a cheaper drone. So $860 price tag includes 3 of 38 minutes battery. That is 4 minutes more than the standard battery that was going for Mini 3 Pro. The reason being why probably the battery can last longer is that this Mini 3 drone, not the Pro, but Mini 3, it does not have sensors. However, the good thing about DJI Mini 3 is that you do still get that fancy vertical video, which was witnessed with DJI Mini 3 Pro, the fancy vertical camera, which means you do get the full vertical image for, I guess, YouTube Shorts. If you see the detailed image of DJI Mini 3, then this is exactly what you get in the box of the Fly More combo. So the drone, the DJI RC that has the display, and 2 additional batteries, so 3 batteries in total, which should last 38 minutes times by 3, and some additional propellers with the bag. So this entire Fly More combo set, it is, I guess, significantly cheaper than what you would need to buy with DJI Mini 3 Pro, especially if you want that additional batteries and ending up spending at least $200 to get this Fly More combo set. So I guess price range, it kind of makes sense, but this is so much more expensive than what we used to pay for DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo, which was going at $600. Wow, the inflation's catching up everywhere. And Igor Bogdanov, he does elaborate on the key features of the new DJI Mini 3. So as we know, it weighs less than 249 grams. That was in the box, in the picture. And it, of course, captures 4K HDR video, which any drone nowadays must. Vertical shooting, yes. Built-in intelligent features and wind resistance of level 5. So that's what we had seen in the previously released drones as well. Fly More kit with shoulder bag, charging hub, etc. And the Fly More combo kit with shoulder bag and charging hub, as we had seen in the picture. So some other close-up photo, it does say Mini 3, and this is just, I don't know, just like Mini 2, no obstacle avoidance. And this is what you would see from the top. These ones, he does say it is front visual positioning sensor, so it's not quite like the full-on camera sensor that you saw with DJI 3 Pro. Some more images if you fancy, and this is the combination image, the fully rendered image, charging hub, shoulder bag, propellers, extra battery, and of course the DJI RC and some other picture as well. So this whole package apparently is going at £830, and you can see the spec wise as I had mentioned before. And if you want to go for something cheaper than DJI Mini 3 combo, there will be one combo with RCN1. So what is RCN1? That's the one without the display. So the fairly standard RC that we're used to using in other drones such as Mini 2, Air 2S, etc. And this box would also contain 2 additional batteries, also lasting 38 minutes each. And this is the back of the box with all the specs that I mentioned before. Ultra light, foldable, less than 249 grams, 38-minute flight time, 4K HDR video, true vertical shooting. Intelligent features include such as quick shots, panorama shots, and level 5 wind resistance, which is actually fairly decent, and 10-kilometer video transmission. So are you excited about DJI Mini 3? Maybe they're going for targeting people who are looking for a gift in Christmas but don't want to spend as much as Mini 3 Pro. So do let me know if you're interested in buying this drone, and I'll come back with other reviews and updates on the tech gadgets. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you!